Here is your truth in real estate, especially in Silicon Valley. The market is not fair or moral and really doesn't care what you think. I'm Shannon Ellison from the Walker team, and it's time to share some harsh reality. Let's start with the definition of moral. A person's standards of behavior or beliefs concerning what is and what is not acceptable for them to do. I will start with a story. We just represented the seller of a home in Santa Clara with Cupertino schools. There were over 200 groups through the open house in one weekend. 118 buyers that requested to view the disclosures, 26 offers in total, and a final sales price that was 38% above the asking price. That's $700,000 over. Basic economics, supply and demand. In Silicon Valley, we have a perennial dangerous shortage of inventory. Contrary to conspiracy beliefs, it is not the greedy seller or the realtors that dictate the sales prices. It's the buyer's final decision. If you're not aware, there's a lot of money in our area and a lot of intelligent home buyers. As a matter of fact, there's a recent survey that only 38% of people can actually afford to buy a home in our area. Trying to time the market perfectly will most likely drive you absolutely bonkers.
Oh, crazy?
Don't mind if I do!
Listen, you might overpay to get the house in certain markets, yes, but buy for your mortgage payment. And if there's anything history has assured us, although prices fluctuate, they always go up. It's about the long game, and the earlier you get in, the better off you are. Just ask those people that bought back in 2008 or 2018 at those peaks. They're definitely happy right now. Quite honestly, getting the house is the deal in Silicon Valley. So don't overthink it. Don't pout, don't stomp your feet because you didn't get the house you wanted. Someone else just simply wanted it more. And while you may not think it's fair or moral, it's reality. Always put your best foot forward and don't try to leave room for negotiation when there are multiple offers. Many of those realtors and sellers out there won't bother to take the time to give you a counter or even a response, unfortunately. The bottom line, don't be that person that thinks they're smarter than experienced realtors who have seen every market. You're gonna leave yourself wanting. Here are the clients that win. The ones that take the time to listen to us. We clearly state the home's value in the current market, and we leave it up to you. As always, I'm Shannon Ellison with the Walker team of Intero, here to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. Click on the links below to reach out to me to plan and strategize on how to get you the best price for your house or get the house you want in the hotbed of Silicon Valley.